Hello everyone, how are you, all of you? Just reply me in a comment section. So, how was your day? I hope you all are doing good. So, basically, this is our sixth day of Python 0 to Hero. So, basically, what are our today topics we are moving to on this? First, I hope you are done all your questions that I give you as a homework, and because I told you about writing some syntaxes in your notebook. I hope you can do this also, that also, sorry. So today we are moving to our topic. We done up to polymorphism. I thought so. Polymorphism is already done, and I give you some of the oops questions. So today we are moving to our the next part. So let's open the PDF first. So basically, uh, already done polymorphism. Duck test, I already told you what is duck test. Encapsulation. So today our topic is encapsulation. What do you mean about the term encapsulation? If you break this word in capsulation, basically, see, encapsulation means putting data where? It means variable, the code function together in one place inside a class. If you are if you are adding the whole function in one place inside a class, that is known as encapsulation. Basically, it also means hiding the internal details. Basically, it means that you are hiding an internal detail of an class. So that is known as encapsulation, or how things work, and only showing what is needed. Just it can show what is important or what is needed only, because those part you can see, or rest of the part will hide. See, yeah, they're already written. It also means hiding the internal details of how things work, and also showing what is needed. I hope you understand. I already told you so many times. If you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section. I hope if you have any problem, just tell me. See, it keeps data safe from being changed by mistake. So if you can debug the data, then maybe by your mistake the data is changed. So that's why with no changes, that's why we are using encapsulation. Encapsulation means it keep data safe and being changed by mistake. See, so you cannot change the data. If data is not seeing in front of you, then you can't see the data, then you can't change the data, basically. So it make your code clean, easy to use. Basically, with the help of encapsulation, there are only some parts you can view. So the code is very clean. The back end, the code is so fuzzy and so complex. But in front of you, the code is look like very clean code or easy to use. You can help just like a function, and basically you can call function many times. So just take example of a function, basically. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. See, it's give control over what another can access or change. It give you a control. Basically, let's take example for this topic, for this the paragraph. Basically, you have a power to you are a school principal, so you have a power to see what teachers can do, or or you can control the teachers. Basically, the term, basically, this means that it's give control over with other can access or change. You can control or access for others, that other people can change or access what are they doing. Basically, with the help of this you can do. I hope you are understand. Access modifier in Python. What do you mean about access modifier in Python? Access modifier means who can access your code and modify your code according to the code the usability. Basically, access modifier means how we give access to our attribute and methods. Basically, see, we can give the access of our attributes and method to the object or inherited class. There are three types of first CCC. Access modifier means how we give access. Basically, how we can give an access of our attribute and modifier to an object on inherited class. Basically, let's see. Let's see them one by one. Basically, so basically we are covered all three things, all 3 points of the encapsulation. Or we already know what is access modifier in Python, and we all know this, basically this term. Let Now we are seeing three types of access modifier in Python. Basically, first type is public attribute and methods. Till now, every attribute and methods we have create are public, means the iterated class and objects can access them no matter what. Till now, what is the line saying? Just understand the word. Basically, till now every attribute, अभी तक सारे attribute, till now every attribute and method we have created are public. Basically, all are public, mean our inherited class and object can access them no matter what. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Protected attribute and methods. Basically, what are protected attribute and methods? Python protected members are created using a single underscore, but it still can be accessed from outside the class, so you might wonder what the point of using them. Python doesn't enforce protected access like others language, example Java or C++. Mhm. So, we already know the two important line. Now understand the second line. Basically, Python doesn't enforce protected access like other language. Basically, what does it mean? Understand this thing. Python doesn't enforce protected access like others language, Java, C++, but it use the naming convention and tell developers to tell developers. Basically, what are private attribute and methods? See, a private variable or method means what are private variable and method? A private variable or method means it it cannot be accessed from outside the class, only from inside the class where it is defined. So now we are talking about private attributes and methods. Basically, what are private attributes and methods? See, a private variable or method means if cannot be accessed from outside the class, only from inside the class where it is defined. In Python, we use two underscores before the name, make it private. See, we are using two underscore, so that is private. Def, see class demo, def initialization self dot name public member, self dot age 21, self dot salary 50,000. Hello guys, so how are you? Basically, we are continuing this video. So let's move to our previous topic. Now I am very busy in both last 2 days, so I can't upload a video, but today I have lots of questions for you. So we are doing so many questions. So let's move on to the question and some of the topics. Basically, wait a second, I will come at a minute. Yeah guys, so I hope you all are seeing me. No issue. So let's start. We are, so basically, how was your day? Wait a second, I can check. I have to check something. Okay, let's move on to our new topic. Basically, what we are covered in last video. Let's check it first. Then wait a second, guys. Wait a second. So let's see. I already told you about what is encapsulation. I also told you about abstraction. Basically, now today we are doing some question. I already told you what is Dunder method. So basically, we are recapping the things with the chat GPT. I can use chat GPT today. I cannot use Python PDF, and today I will give you this PDF for your better understanding. You can see the code, you can access the file. Basically, today is the today I can make a video of 2 hours basically, because 2 days I cannot upload the video, so that's why I'm uploading a 2-hour video today. So let's move on the topic. Let's see. Let's see. Today I'm making a new chat for my let's see. Today we are recapping the whole video and doing some of the question. What are basically I already told you what are Pythons. Python the high level language, general purpose programming language designed to making program relatively easy to read and write. A Python program might be simple as print hello world. This is the basic Python program. If you I see. This is a basic Python program. Why Python is popular? Python is commonly used for web developer, data science, data analysis, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation, scripting, scientific computing, backend development. I already told you these things about. This is very important thing in our subject basically. Python is commonly used for, I already told you. First, concept of teaching. A programmer is said to be instructing give a computer C. Print Suraj, print 10 plus 20. Basically 13. There is two output. I already told you about these things. But today is our recap day, so basically we can recap the whole thing. Say print Suraj, print 10 plus 20. Suraj 30. Here Python executed the instruction from the top to bottom. Module to Python syntax. Python syntax means the rules of writing valid Python programs. Print Python by print programming. See this. If I run this, then what will be the output? Python programming. Module 3 comments. I already told you about what are comments. Basically, comments explain codes and they are ignored by Python. Single line comment. Just to read simple things. I'm coming in 2 minutes. Sorry guys, I'm coming. So guys, I'm coming. See, I already told you about comments. Basically, what are comments? Comments explain codes and they are ignored by Python. I hope you know. Single line comments, Python. This is a comment. Print hello. Multiple line or explanation. Usually use multiple line hash comments. Python calculate the total marks obtained by the student in 3 subjects. Total 80 plus 75 plus 90. Print total. Basically, it can print the total of the this variable 80, 75, 90. If I can see you this code, how this code will run. 285. I already told you about all the things. I hope you don't have problem in these such topics. Basically, it's a recap video. If you have any trouble in this topic, so go check my previous video. I hope you can understand by those videos. We will student value. Python name Rahul, age 20, marks 85.5. Print name, age, marks Rahul 20. Variable can change. Python 10. Print score score 10, print score 25, print score. Basically it can print the 10, 25. I hope you are understanding this thing. I have some questions for you. Basically, wait a second. Let's open the Python compiler first. Then there's the Python compiler. So let's remove it first. Now I have some question for you. This is a very basic question. I hope you have not problem on this question. See this. Let's understand it first. Find the first non-repeating character. Question. Give a string. Find the first character that occurs only once. A, B, B, C, D, D, E. How you think in this question? I want to know. So do this question by your own. I am waiting 2 minutes. Then I will solve this question for you. This is a very good question. And this is very helpful in your upcoming future. So do it first. I hope you all done this question. Now it's my turn to solve this question. Let's first we have to create the variable and initializing the value. So let's do it first. Remove this line, remove this thing. This is a variable. Now let's see. This is the let's see what you do in this question. Basically, let first we have to know what we are doing. We are making a variable s, then we are assigning a value this, then for character in s we are running in this whole a paragraph character in f. If f dot count char is equals to 1, if any the character have only one value, then it can print char, otherwise break. Let's see c, then there is no output c. And if d, c, d, let's f g, f. Why not g? If f is printed, then it will break, it will put break. So we are moving to our next question. This is also a good question for you. I hope you all are like all I hope you all are doing this question by your own. This is a very easy question, very easy. First understand the question. Basically what the question is trying to say: find all pairs of target sum. Question give a list and a target. Find the pairs whose sum equal to the target. Example 2 7 4 5 1 3, target 8. C. What do you think about this question? First try it your by own, then I will provide a solution for you. And I will give you 2 minutes for this question, then I'm moving to our next question. Now it's my turn to solve this question. I hope you all done this. So let's start. Wait a second, guys. Here is the question. Yeah. Now in this question we have to first create a number variable, and number is equals to see what is the target is let's take it. Anyone want to explain me why we are putting this question on this number, then the output is this? Anyone? Basically I will tell you. First we can create a number variable 274513, then we are target of 8 C 5678 or 718 C, or in that question set scene if number need target num. Let's understand the code first. You have to understand the code, then we will get the answer only. See it properly. Just wrote down this code on your copy. I hope you note down this code. Now we are moving to our next question. Next question is also very easy. I hope you can do it. This is a very easy question. Check balance question basically. I hope. See, this is a check balance question. Check balance bracket. Question: check whether bracket in a string are correctly balanced or not. Basically, I hope you are. I can give you 3 minutes, so then I will do this question. This is not question more than 1 to 2 minutes. I'll do it by your own, then I can provide you the solution and do it for you. Now I am moving to the question. Now see the answer first. Now how to do this question? Basically, let's make a function. See, this is the solution. First you note down this question, then I will see what will be the output. See, first note down this question, then I will tell you what in this question exactly. I hope now I told you what in this question exactly saying. The balanced as stack pairs. Now we are putting some brackets basically for char in S. If char is S, stack dot append char elif char in. If not stack or stack pop pairs char return false. Return length dot stack is equal to print balance. This is the exact code. See it. Now I provide you the second question. Second question is also very easy. See, this is the second question. I hope you can do it by your own. I will give you 5 minutes, then I will provide you the answer. Do it by your own. Do it this question. Now it's my turn to solve this question. So basically, this is a very easy question. I told you. The basic solution of this question. I can told you. See, we are making a variable number 10, 40, 20, 50, 50, 30. Then largest float in, second float in. For num in numbers, if num is larger than number, then largest. For num in numbers, we are taking a largest number. We are making a variable largest. Then we are putting a float value or init value. I hope you understand what is inf. If you don't know, then I will tell you what is in just 3 to 4 minutes basically. Now seeing what the function, what the loops basically running for num numbers. If num is greater or num is largest, second largest is equal to num. Elif largest is greater than num is greater than second is equals to num. Print second. Basically, I hope you understand what I am trying to say. So this is the code. Write down this code. Basically, this is a very important code. Write down this code, then I will provide you the second question. Now I am providing you the second question. I hope you are writing this code. Now this is your second question. Sorry, fifth question. See, this is your fifth question. Read it carefully and then think first, and then you can write the code. This is a hard question basically. I hope you can do it. I hope you are doing this question. I give you 1 more minute, then I will solve this question. Now I am solving this question. Now this is a good question and hard question. So first I will provide you the code, then I will do this code. This is the code of the question. Let's see what actually in the code. Now we are removing the spaces so you can see the whole code properly. Define engram AB if len A is not equal to len B. Length is not equal to length B. Basically, see the output of this code. First, true. See why I got this answer. First, you understand the whole code. See the code and write down the code. Then I will give you the I hope you seeing this code. If you have any problem with this code, just tell me. So I already told you to do this question. I hope you all are done this question. So now we are moving to our next question. Let's see. So today we are ending this video with till here. Next video we are covering some more questions, and in our upcoming 3 videos basically we can cover up to whole Python. Basically, if you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section. I hope you are all doing good and enjoying. Keep share, subscribe, like my channel. Bye bye guys. I hope you are all doing great.